Good morning, students. Dear students, it is your third video lecture about English. So, in today's class, we will learn about noun and its number. So, let's understand this. So, according to countability, nouns are further divided into two parts. First is countable and second is uncountable. Now, let's understand what is countable noun and what is uncountable noun. Countable noun, the nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. For example, pen, chair, school, mobile, etc. So basically we can say that our common and collective nouns are countable nouns because only common and countable nouns can be counted. Now let's understand what is uncountable noun. So the uncountable nouns, the nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. For example, milk, water, sand, education, etc. So in this we put material and abstract nouns because material and abstract nouns cannot be counted. You can see that milk is material noun, water is also, sand is also, education is abstract noun. In the countable noun, pen was common noun, chair was common noun, school was common, and mobile was common noun. And collective noun also we can count that like team, like class, we can say classes also, team, teams also. So basically we can say that common and collective nouns are countable nouns and material and abstract nouns are uncountable nouns. Then our countable nouns are further divided into two parts. First is singular, second is plural. Now let's understand what is singular noun and what is plural noun. So singular noun, it is related to one. For example, man, car, bus, mango, photo, etc. So in other words, we can say that which noun is related to one, that is singular noun. And let's understand what is plural noun. It is related to more than one. For example, men, cars, buses, mangoes, photos, etc. So simply we can say that which is related to one, that is singular noun, and which is related to more than one, that is plural noun. If I say man, that is singular, we are talking about one man. If I say men, that is plural because we are talking about more than one man. Then if I say car, that is singular noun because we are talking about one car. And if I say cars, so we are talking about more than one cars. So man, car, bus, mango, photo, these are singular nouns, and men, cars, buses, mangoes, photos, etc. these are plural nouns. So here we will learn some basic rules to change singular nouns to plural nouns. Because when we change singular noun to plural noun, we have to remember some rules of changing the noun singular to plural. So first rule is that usually we add s after the noun and we make it singular to plural. For example, if noun is like book, we need to make it in plural. We need to add just s here, means we have to write here books. Same boat, boats, girl, girls, tree, trees. So in most of nouns, we usually just add s and we make it singular to plural. That is a basic common rule, and this is the first rule. Now let's come on the second rule. In the second rule, we add es to make noun singular to plural, but there are some conditions. If our noun ends on s letter or double s letters or sh letters or ch letters or x letter. If our noun ends on these letters, we need to put es to make it singular to plural. For example, first word is box. This word ends on x letter. So when our noun ends on x letter, we add es to make it singular to plural. Box, boxes. See next example, class, classes, bus, buses, watch, watches. So now we have understood if our noun ends on s letter, double s letters, sh letters, ch letters, x letter, we add es to make it singular to plural. This was the second rule. Now let's come on the third rule. We also add es most nouns ending in o. Remember this, Here I have written most nouns, not all the nouns. So mostly we put es when our noun ends on o. For example, hero. This word ends on o letter, so we need to add here es to make it singular to plural. Hero, heroes. Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. But some exceptional cases are there. For example, the word written here, photo. This word ends on O letter. Despite it, this will not take es to make it singular to plural. Means I just need to add here s to make it singular to plural. For example, photo, photos, bamboo, bamboos, piano, pianos. These are some exceptional cases which do not follow the rule. But in most of nouns, when our nouns end on O letter, we put es to make it singular to plural. So dear students, we will be continuing the next video and we will learn some more basic rules to change noun singular to plural.